Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me again, Jaslyn Lazada, and I'm also known as VA Jessie from Telecrew Outsourcing. If you're new here, welcome back to my channel where I talk about work from home, sales, and phone skills improvement and anything related to virtual assistants. If that's your cup of tea, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be updated on my latest videos. Today we're going to talk about something super exciting, and this is how to start your own virtual staffing agency. If you have been following me for a while, you must be aware that I'm one of the business managers of Telecrew Outsourcing, and we are a virtual staffing agency from the Philippines, and we provide appointment setting, cold calling, and telemarketing services, lead generation services to different clients globally. With almost 10 years of experience handling a virtual team, I can say that perhaps I already have what it takes to share a few tips to people that are interested in doing the same thing. So, first off, let's talk about why you'd want to start a virtual staffing agency. The world has changed, and more businesses are going remote, and they need virtual assistants, telemarketers, customer support, and many others. And obviously, there is a great demand for virtual freelancers, and businesses want to cut costs. And they know hiring a virtual staff can save them a lot of money. And that's where you can come in. You can help connect these businesses with skilled, reliable remote workers. And the good thing about it is that you don't need a fancy office or even a lot of experience to get started. All right. The first actual step in starting your agency is finding your niche. You can't just say, I'm offering virtual staffing services. You need to figure out who you're helping and what kind of services you're offering. For example, are you going to specialize in customer service? Are you going to be a virtual assistant for real estate agents? Or maybe a cold caller for sales companies? Focus on one or two areas that you understand or can learn quickly, and you'll have a much easier time growing your agency if you become known as the expert in one field. For example, here at Telecrew Outsourcing, our main focus is providing lead generation, telemarketing, and outbound sales support. And whenever someone asks us if we have someone that can help them with website design, we don't say yes. We are very honest about our limit and what our agency can and cannot do. Do not commit and make promises about services that you cannot deliver because it will do more harm than good. At the same time, you'll have more credibility if your clients see the work history that are related as opposed to scattered types of services with bad reviews. Okay, let me put it this way. When I want to have a waxing service, I usually do not go to a nail salon that offers waxing. I go to a waxing salon instead because I know this is their expertise, as opposed to a nail salon that has a waxing service as a side service and not their main. You know what I mean? Next, you'll need to find talented freelancers. You don't need to hire them right away. You can start building relationships with people you could offer to your clients. You can use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. When you're starting out, vet your freelancers carefully. Make sure they've got the right skill set, experience, and communication styles that will make your clients happy. Which brings me to my next point. You have to know exactly what your clients are looking for. What qualities do they want? For example, here at Telecrew Outsourcing, we mainly work with clients looking for telemarketers, and most of my clients are in the US. So, what are the two main skills that we are looking for when hiring a VA? That would be communication skills and selling skills. Our clients are very particular with the accent and grammar, so we must meet their expectations in this aspect. Next, their selling skills. This is a must because how can I confidently say that my agents can help them grow their sales if they do not know how to make sales? Remember, your agency's reputation is based on the quality of the freelancers that you provide. Consider setting a certain standard when hiring a freelancer. Do it slowly but surely, because trust me, I've been there and I've done that, and it's always a lot better to be sure with the quality first and tell your clients to wait a while if you really cannot provide it right away before saying yes, and then your clients won't be happy. Okay, now that you've found your niche and started building a team, it's time to set up your online presence. Don't worry, this doesn't have to be super fancy. Here's what you'll need: a simple website that explains what your agency offers, a LinkedIn profile that makes you look like you're a go to person in your niche, a social media account where you can share tips, testimonials, and updates about your services. And you don't have to be super overwhelmed here, okay? You can literally start with just one page that says who you are, what you do, and a contact form. You can actually improve it later as your agency grows. All right, let's talk about money. How to price your services. Here's the deal: you'll charge businesses for the staff that you provide, and then you'll pay the freelancers. Your rate should include a markup so you can make a profit. But here's the key: don't price yourself too low, because after all, you're running a business and not a charity. A common way to start is by marking up freelancers' rate by 20 to 30%. If you're paying a freelancer $10 an hour, for example, charge the client $13. The markup is how you get paid for your management, recruitment, and the peace of mind that you provide your clients. Finding clients can feel like the hardest part, but honestly, it's about networking and being active online. Start with people that you know. Maybe a local business needs help, or someone in your network is looking to hire a VA. You'd be surprised of how many people need help once you start asking around. Then you can also go to platforms like Upwork, freelancers, LinkedIn, Fiverr to find potential clients. You can also send out personalized messages, talk about specific problems that you can solve, and share some examples of the freelancers that you've already vetted. It's all about building relationships. People don't want to feel like they're just another sale, you know? Be helpful, follow up, and show you are genuine about making their lives easier. Okay, once you've landed your first client, customer service is key. You need to make sure that your clients are happy with the freelancer that you're providing. And if something goes wrong, you've got to step in and fix it quickly. Follow up regularly with your clients and ask them for feedback and take it seriously. Happy clients lead to repeat business and, of course, referrals as well, which is how your agency will grow. Okay, let's fast forward a little. You've found your niche, you've built a team, you landed some clients, and things are going really smoothly. Okay, how do you grow from there? The secret is automation and delegation. Start using tools like project management software, scheduling apps, and even automation tools to handle repetitive tasks. As you grow, you need to hire people to help you with your agency so you can focus on the big picture. Because let's be real, you cannot do it all yourselves forever, especially if you start growing. So that's it, guys. Starting a virtual staffing agency is definitely doable, even if you're starting from scratch. It's about finding your niche, building a solid team, and keeping your clients happy. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on growing your business and if you want to know more about virtual assistants. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. And if you are a client looking to hire a freelancer to do telemarketing, outbound sales, cold calling, customer service, appointment setting, lead generation, feel free to visit our website at telecrewoutsourcing.com. And you can also email me at info@telecrewoutsourcing.com. If you are a virtual assistant or an aspiring virtual assistant who might want to join our team, go to our website, go to apply now, and one of our HR managers will get back to you. So that's it for today, guys. Again, thank you for watching the video until the end. See you on my next video. Have a great day. Bye.